Hey, what's going on? This is Mayur here from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my Lidler review. I'm inside the members area of Lidler, and during this video I'm going to give you the complete demo of Lidler, then the complete walkthrough of what is inside and what does it basically. In a nutshell, Lidler is an email marketing software, builds massive email list and send unlimited emails at the push of the button in 45 seconds flat. Lidler, created by the top email marketers. As every great marketer knows, the real money is in your email list. Lidler uh, let you send unlimited emails with your own eye-catching design instantly without any experience or technical skills required. With Lidler, you can get an incredible amount of benefits, each one designed to help you become an email master and start making massive profits instantly. So isn't it great, guys? So I strongly recommend that you should pick this up. This is going to save you a bunch of money from other marketers. So we are going to go through the video of Lidler. So if this is something that you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, we are going to cover the first thing, I'm going to give you the complete demo of Lidler. Then I have some epic bonuses. I'm saying it epic because they're going to help you out in the implementation phase after learning Lidler. And third, we are going to talk about the sales page, the pricing and the upsell. So let's understand how you can pick my bonuses. To pick my epic bonuses, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, and that will bring you through my bonus page. So let's go to the bonus page. Guys, let you know that this is going to go live on Tuesday, which is 2nd of November at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As of that time, you can click on any of these green buttons on my bonus page. That will bring you through the sales page where you can able to pick this up. You will need to pick up my bonuses before this countdown timer hits 0. When it does, all of my bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you to miss out on. So let's go through my bonuses. My bonuses are the super powerful bonuses. I'm saying it super powerful bonuses because I have picked them for you guys, so that will help you out in the implementation after learning this. So the bonus number one is access a 3-in-1 email marketing app. So this is the combination of software and training together, and it has one more powerful feature where it explains you where you are going to get the traffic. So combinedly, all like this combination are going to help you out in the email marketing. So it's really a powerful tool. So this is followed by the bonus number two, which is click to bank. Learn how to master ClickBank. So ClickBank is a marketplace like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So this is also a very popular marketplace. So in this bonus, Jono has explained you how to get the mastery in the ClickBank. Very powerful bonus. So the bonus number three is Jono's three best traffic sources. See guys, to earn the money online, you need to have the traffic and you need to convert this traffic into the sales. So Jono has given the three best traffic sources. So this is again very powerful bonus. So bonus number four is Access Goodwin. Goodwin is again a platform which teaches you how you can make money online easily. So this is again a very powerful bonus, and that will be followed by the bonus number five, which is all vendor bonuses. So we have list of bonuses, and let's check out what is the offering from the vendor as well. Here is the access to our mega bundle of bonuses: Facebook marketing unleashed, lead generation on demand, modern Facebook marketing guide, evergreen lead business, market storm magazines. So there are list of bonuses being provided by vendor also. You can check out, there are a lot of bonuses which been provided by vendor also. So like all these vendor bonuses also you are going to get after buying this. So guys, there are a lot of here from the vendors, there are a lot of bonuses from the vendor also. So you are going to get all the vendor bonuses, all my custom bonuses which you will agree are super powerful, completely free of charge, and they're going to get instantly deliver. Even you will just pick up the very first front end of Lidler, which is going to be for $17 with the downsell discount of $5. Everything you are going to get just for $12. So let's check out how to get this. To get this, you just have to follow five simple steps. Step number one, you just have to click on the link down below in the description, which will bring you through my bonus page. Just scroll down the page and click on any of these green links before this countdown timer hits 0. So that will bring you through the sales page and you can able to pick this up. So as soon as you will pick this up, you have to log into your Warrior Plus account. On the right hand side where you have your username, just click on the purchase history and click on Lidler. So that will bring you through the receipt page that will look something like this. So this is the receipt. So where you have to click on access affiliate bonuses. So as soon as you will click on access affiliate bonuses, you will be able to access all the custom bonuses and all the vendor bonuses. So everything will be free of charge, instantly deliver at just the price of $12. So this is really amazing. So let's go over to the sales page and check out right now. And it says, Lidler, stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month on old school autoresponders. Build massive email list and send unlimited emails at the push of a button in 45 seconds flat. No monthly fees, no restrictions, unlimited emails, no skills or experience required. Build your list faster. So you can go through the sales page at your own. I just wanted to show you some of the income proofs. So these are the proof from the like the users which are using Lidler. So like in a day, like people are earning a lot of money using this tool. So you can go through the sales page at your own time. I'm not going to go through the sales page with you guys. So you can take your sweet time and go through it. I'm not going to waste any more time here and directly jump to the uh, app. Now this is the control panel of Lidler. So it's very nice and clean control panel. So any newbie can easily like access and understand how to use it. So on the left hand side we have the navigation system where we have the integrations. So using this integration, like you can use your social media directly from the app. So this is the campaign manager. So you can create campaign clicking on the new campaigns. So you can add this basic information like your name, tags, description, and after filling all this form you just have to click on the submit. That will create your campaign. So you can check out all the list of campaigns here. So you can delete, edit, like all these like features are also available. Then you have links, so you can create the links. So here are the all leads, like list of leads, you can able to get it from here. So using this you can send unlimited emails. Then they have the trainings. So first, like you can go through the training and understand how to use the app. The bonuses we have, which we have already discussed, I have shown you that, and they have the support. So this is where like you can use the control panel and you can able to create like all, you have to first integrate all your social media accounts, then you can make the campaigns and just send the unlimited mails. So this is really a powerful tool for the email marketers. Now I'm going to talk about the pricing and upsell. So this is the pricing and upsell for the front end. The Lidler, the price is dollar 17 with the downsell of 12. Access the powerful Lidler software and the training modules. Everything you are going to get for the $12. Upsell number one, Lidler Pro for $32 with the downsell of $27. Upsell number two, Lidler Done For You templates for $57 with the downsell of 47. Upsell number three, Lidler Enterprise, check both references for $67 with the downsell of 47. Upsell number four, Lidler Done For You setup for $147 with the downsell of 97. Everything done for you. Upsell number five, Lidler a Fortune 500 profit for $37 with the downsell of 27. Upsell number 6, Lidler Golden membership for $37 with the downsell of 27. Upsell number 7, Lidler reseller rights for $117 for with the downsell of $87. Get profit by selling Lidler to your clients reseller license. So I will highly recommend you that you should go for the Lidler Pro and the Lidler done for you templates. That will help you out like after buying the front end. So this is the pricing and the upsell. So there are bunch of information available on my bonus page, as well as on the sales page. There is a sales video also, which is around three and a half minutes long, which you can go at your own time. Don't forget to go through all my bonuses also, which are definitely super powerful bonuses. Just go through them at your own time and understand exactly like how they are going to help you out after buying Lidler. So guys, my thought on this, like Lidler is an email marketing software which builds massive email list and send unlimited emails at the push of button in 45 seconds. Lidler can create this software is created by the top marketers. So every great marketer knows that the real money is in the email list. So Lidler like make it easier for you to like create eye catchy emails, send it instantly, and with this you can save like bunch of money from like other competitors. Like it's a they're charging monthly fees and yearly fees. This is one time with this like cheap cost of $12. This is really a amazing app to go with. So I highly recommend that you should pick this up. You're going to get all my bonuses also with this. So this is it from my end. Thanks for watching my Lidler review. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.